YouTube friends, my name is Cindy and this is SincerelyCindiSettle. Today is a Stitch Fix day. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for hanging out with me and for subscribing and hitting the notification bell. If you are new, I hope you will consider hitting the notification bell and hitting the subscribe button. I love having you guys join me. I am like 20 subscribers away from reaching my 1,000 subscriber goal by my anniversary. My YouTube anniversary was May the 2nd. Today is May the 4th. So you're going to see this probably in a week or so. So hopefully by then I will have my 1,000 subscribers, and yay for me. So I'm a little bit behind, but that's okay. It's been slow moving. I can only upload one video a week just because I'm busy with work and kids and all that, and I just can't dedicate as much time as I would like to YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the Stitch Fix box. So my bundle's kind of falling apart, so I'm just gonna rip it open and we'll see what we got. So my stylist had sent the preview, and I wasn't real thrilled with everything in the preview. There were a couple dresses that I really liked. The other dresses I didn't care for. There were a couple skirts, didn't care for those. So in the response to the preview, I asked her just to send me a box of dresses, like one and done dresses. Let's see what we got and see what we can work with. I have a couple graduations coming up. I have one dress for one graduation, but I don't really want to wear the same dress for 2 graduations. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we have a navy dress. I want to say that this is very similar to one that I've already tried a few boxes ago. I'm going to look, and if I did, I'm going to link it up above. But it is navy and white. I'm pretty sure I've seen this one before with a crossbody there and a tie here at the waist. I'm almost 100% sure that I've tried this one on before, and you guys really liked this one and I didn't keep it, so I'm kind of disappointed that I got the same dress. This one was not in the preview. This was one that was chosen after the fact. So anyway, it was pretty and it was cute and it fit me well, but I'll try it on again for you. Then we have a pretty floral. This is fun. I think they're all florals. We have some fruit, some more lemon. I think lemon and fruit is kind of an in thing this season. Very pretty floral. Very comfortable fabric. Looks like it is a not cross. What's the word I'm looking for? Wrap style. Faux wrap there in the front. It also does have a tie, and it looks like it's going to be a maxi, kind of like a handkerchief type of bottom to that. Love that. All right, then we have another floral. This one is a little smaller print, which I like. Not that I mind the larger print. It might be a little overwhelming. We'll just have to see. All right, so this one is more of a spaghetti strap with some fun detail in the back. Looks like it is a maxi dress as well, which I am a fan of the maxi dress. Let's see. I like it. It's very comfortable. Looks like it's high-waisted. Cute. All right. These are all very comfortable. They feel like they're like a cotton blend of something. They're very lightweight and would be very comfortable, I feel. So we do have this reddish orange color floral. Again, she knows that I like the wrap because here we have another wrap style. And again, high-waisted. A little bit of a band there around the waist, and then again it looks like it is going to be a maxi dress. Yes, yes, yes. Love me a maxi dress. And then we have the lemons. So do we have some lemon or some lemonade? This is a little brighter than what I had anticipated it to be. It's pretty though. It's funny, I'm wearing the yellow blazer that I had gotten in the Stitch Fix that is titled Lemons or Lemonade because I had gotten a lemon printed skirt in that as well. So I'll link that one up above as well. So here we have a cute little lemon dress. This one is shorter and it also has the fun detail. You can't really see that in the back as well. All right, I'm gonna jump into the try on. I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna start off with the one that I think that I've already tried on before. I can't quite remember. The sleeves might be a little bit different in the other one. Anyway, so we have a navy blue background with white flowers, wrap style here at the top, V-neck, quarter length sleeves. It is fully lined, very nice. And it does have a belt right here with belt loops, and then I just have it tied in the back. Of course, you could tie it here in the front as well. It is hitting right at the knee or above the knee. I feel like this is a really good fit, and you guys really liked this one before. So, I mean, I did like it before. I can't remember what I bought from that box. Maybe this was the same box as the blazer. Might have been. I can't quite remember. And you guys really liked this one as well. So I do like it, and the fit's nice. It kind of flows over everything. I'm going to get a little closer so that you can see the floral. So there you can get a good idea of the colors, navy blue, and then just a white, light blue type of flower. Let me do a turnaround. All right, this is dress number 1. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be right back. All right, so this one's a lot of fun. So this is the black and yellow with the lemons. Of course, it has some green and some white in it as well. Cute little sundress. I feel like the fit is good. I'm not sure how the back is going to look. It doesn't feel tight, but I'm afraid that there might be some lumps and bumps back there, which, you know, to each their own. I'm not a huge fan, but I really think this is cute. I feel like it flows over the stomach really well. I like the neckline. The straps are adjustable, but I'll show you in just a second. You can see the bra, and when I turn around, you will be able to see the bra back there as well. So it does require a strapless bra, which I just didn't put on right now for you. So it is, again, right above the knee. I feel like the length is really cute. Either you'd have to wear a strapless bra or something over it, which would be equally as cute. So let's do a turnaround. What do you guys think? Again, is this one of those trends that's going to be here this year and then out next year? If that's the case, I feel like something like this would work better for like a swimsuit that you're probably going to replace each year anyway. Not me so much. I mean, like, I keep mine forever, but if I were at the pool all the time or at the beach a lot and my swimsuit really got worn out, this would be a print maybe that I would consider if it's just going to be a one season kind of thing and then done. So let me know what you guys think. I really like the fit of this. I think it's cute. All right, let's get to the maxi dresses. Wait, I wanted to come up close so that you could see the details. Sorry about that. So you do have the black background. You've got the lemons, cute neckline here, and you can see the bra strap a little bit here. The underarms are good as well. And I'll do a turnaround here too so you can see the details in the back. Now we'll move to the maxi dresses. All right, so here we have the first of the 3 maxis. So again, very pretty. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive, as was the lemon dress. I'm pretty sure they're probably made by the same company. They fit very similar. This one's just longer. The back has the crisscrosses. The straps are, again, adjustable. It is a little bit high-waisted so that it flows over the belly area, but not too much. You can see that it is hitting, you know, it's not overwhelmingly flowy, if you will. Again, I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about the back in regards to things going on back there. The underarms are good, no concerns there. Let me get a little bit closer so that you can see the neckline and all the details in the flowers. So there you can see the nice neckline. It is a wider neckline. Again, you can see the bra straps right here. You do have like some pinks and some pale yellows, some oranges in here. It's a very pretty color combination. Again, I'll turn around so you can see the back. And those details there. I think that's a fun detail. Maybe if I loosened this, the back wouldn't, again, it doesn't really feel tight. It feels like it fits, but I'm afraid it's gonna look like it's tight. Does that make sense? I'm sure that makes sense. And then, of course, like I said, it is a true maxi. And you could wear heels with it, or you could actually wear flats with this. It's not hitting the ground, so flats would work with this as well. All right, I'm not sure about this one, again, just because of the back and having to wear a strapless bra or something over it. So let me know what you guys think. All right, so here we have dress number 4. You can see that cute little hemline down there at the bottom. It is like a handkerchief hemline. Lots of fun colors, big floral print, very summery, very springy, very comfortable. It does have a tie here at the waist. It is, again, a wrap style. The bra straps are covered, very thick arms here. The underarms are covered as well. Let me do a quick turnaround and then I'll get a little bit closer for you. What do you think? I'm not sure that I'm loving it, I'll be honest. When I tried it on, I mean, again, the fit is good and it's comfortable. There's just something about up here. It feels almost like it's a little too big under the arms and a little bit too much fabric right here. Let me know what you guys think. Let me get closer. So you can see a lot of fun colors, very bright, very cheerful, very summery, very beach wear type of dress. Just not sure that it's for me. All right, we have one more dress and then we'll wrap it up. So I'm loving the colors of this one. I think it's very pretty, very bright, very fun, and just kind of screams spring and summer. It is like an orangish red color with white and black florals. Again, it is a wrap style. It has a high waist with this band here that is elastic type. There at the waist, there's no tie, no pockets. None of these had pockets, which I was kind of surprised. I thought pockets were kind of the new thing. Anyway, the bra straps are covered. However, I'm having some issues here on the side and in the back with the bra showing. It's really weird because this side actually is showing more of the bra than this side. So I tried to adjust it and all that kind of stuff to figure that out. So I'm kind of disappointed that that's an issue back there because, you know, I want to be able to wear a regular bra with it. If it's covered here, why are we, maybe it's just too big here again. Maybe that's my issue. So I'll get a little closer and I'll show you that. So again, very pretty collars. I love the V-neck. I love that the straps are covered, but let me show you under the arms and in the back. So there you can see a lot of the bra there. And then here, it's not quite as much, but you can still see a little bit of the bra. And that bothers me. I mean, if I'm going to spend money on a dress, I want all of that to be covered, or I want to know that I have to wear a strapless. But even with a strapless, you're going to be able to see there on this one side, but not on this side. I don't know. It's very strange. Very strange. All right, let me do a quick turnaround. This one is hitting at the ankle. So again, you could wear heels or flats with it. It's not too long and it's not too overwhelmingly billowy. All right, so this was a fun box of dresses. Let's get to the wrap up. So in case you've never done Stitch Fix before, you will also have a note from your stylist, as well as ways to style your items that are in your box. If you purchase all 5 items, you do get a 20% off discount. I will have a link down below, a referral code, so that if you want to try Stitch Fix for the first time, you can use that link and get $25 off. Sometimes it's $50, just depends on when you do the referral. So keep that in mind if you decide you want to try. And I apologize, it is 25% off, not 20%. So I do have the same stylist. I've had her for a while. I'm not going to read her note this time. She did just send me some dresses. I'm sure she gave me some ideas on how to style them. So let's get right to it. So we have the navy dress by 41 Hawthorn. That is this one here. It is $68. I liked the look of it. I like that it's lined. It is a little dressier than some of the others. The material is a little different than the others as well. It's not like a cottony blend like the others are. It's more of a polyester feel to it. I liked it, just not sure if I loved it for $68. All right, so this is by LOVEAPPELLA. This is, they're calling this navy as well. I guess it is kind of a navy in the background there. And it is $74. Again, it just felt too big around the arms. I don't know, it was weird. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it looks great. If it does, y'all need to tell me, because I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. I wasn't loving it. I wanted to love it, but I just wasn't. And then we have the 9 Britton. I think that's this one. LIZZY brushed knit dress. Again, very cute, very comfortable. This is $58, but I'm worried about it being too trendy. Again, I realize trends, you can wear them whenever you want, and it is what it is. I don't know. I don't know if I'm loving it. I don't know if I'm loving any of it. I'll be honest. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed that I didn't love it all. I was afraid I was going to love it all and be like, honey, I love all these dresses. Can I get all these dresses? All right. And he'd be like, you need to pick and choose. All right. So then we have, this is by Market. Nope. This is 41 Hawthorn. Well, I think they have this marked wrong on here. It is 41 Hawthorn. And it says Adelia knit maxi dress in red, and it is $54, which is a great price for one and done outfit. I just wasn't crazy about how that fit in the back. Maybe I can figure that out, because I did like this one probably the best, and the navy one. And then we have this last one is by 9 Britton, and it is also $58. Again, good price. I don't know, maybe I'll reconsider this one. All right, let me know what you guys think. I might look back at the footage and find that I love them all. Who knows? Who knows? All right, so that is all for this Stitch Fix unboxing. I have a Wantable coming up. I promise I'm going to do a Dia & Co. I know I've been telling y'all that for months, and I just haven't done it yet. And I promise I'm going to do some book reviews. I've been telling you that for months too, and I just haven't done it yet. I'm sorry. And I'm trying to do a collaboration for glasses. So I thought that would be kind of fun, since I'm always wearing my reading glasses at the end of these videos. I thought it would be fun to do some glasses for you guys who might use reading glasses or need sunglasses or prescription glasses even. So be on the lookout for that. I think that's all. So if you have not subscribed, please do so and like this video. I will see you guys soon. I am Sincerely Cindy Settle. I'm signing out. Mwah.